Pagdiriwang nila ng ika-17 wedding anniversary ng kanyang mga magulang na sina Kiko Pangilinan at Sharon Cuneta sa mga larawang kinunan niya noong April 28. Makikita ang megastar at ang senador, pati na rin ang kapatid niyang si Miel na naghahapunan sa Antonio's Restaurant sa Tagaytay. Tampok din ang isang quartet na tumugtog ng mga paboritong awitin ng couple. Nagpaunlak din daw ng ilang kanta si Mega sa mga panauhin. Tinapos nila ang gabi sa pagpapaputok ng fireworks at pagpapalipad ng special lanterns. Sa ibang Instagram posts naman ni Casey, makikita rin ang bonding moments kasama ang mga kapatid niya sa ama na sina Chloe at Gary. Samantala, matapos maging cover girl ng Cosmopolitan Magazine Mexico a few years ago, pasok si Casey sa 25 Sexiest International Actresses You Haven't Heard Of ng American Urban Lifestyle Magazine na Complex. Patunay ito sa pagiging tunay na global Pinay ni Casey. Tagapagtaguyod ng husay at kagandahan ng mga Pilipina sa buong mundo. Para sa mga panibago pang pasabog, Casey, live, uncensored, exclusive.
Ang ingay dito sa studio because of course we have with us not just Tony but of course Casey Concepcion. Welcome.
I know, kanina nga, I came from ASAP, tapos wala kang lapel, girl. Okay.
Mag-share tayo ng mic, bigyan ng microphone.
This is your home, sabi ni Tony.
Ayun.
Ayan, ang mic mo.
Welcome ko pa naman si Casey. Sabi ko, welcome back, this is your home. Hindi mo narinig yung sarili mo. Nakakarinig sa'yo.
Narinig lang nila ako, thank you. Hindi, I came from ASAP.
Alright.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. Okay, I came from ASAP, tapos kanina, sabi ko, ay, dabas na dabas. 2 years din ako dito na host. So sabi ko, yung garter please, yung lapel ko. Sabi nila, ay, handheld po kayo.
Hinahanap ko si
At
Casey
least,
kanina, sabi nila tulog. Tulog, magkatabi tayo ng dressing
Kasi
room.
naman 6 a.m. pa ako gising
Oo,
for
ASAP.
ASAP.
How are you,
Supadan
Case?
siya.
Tsaka nag-spill.
Oh, nag-spill, supa
ganon.
dance. Hataw
Ganon?
siya kanina.
Oo,
At
but
least nakatulog ka.
it's nice to be back.
How are
It's
you?
I'm good. I am really happy to see everyone sa studio.
Na-miss ka nila.
Kaya nga nakakamiss nga talaga.
O mga
ang
kaibigan, ito ang
dabas.
balita. Complex Magazine declared Casey as one of the 25 sexiest
Sexy,
international
yes! Pakita mo nga ang
actresses.
sexiness mo, Case!
Wow!
Casey!
Iba ka talaga ngayon.
Ibang level.
Iba na.
Hindi, alam nyo, ay wala naman akong balak maging
Ano?
ganon. Na-inspire ako ni Tony one time. Me and Tony were talking privately
Again, about
as
that.
friends.
Private.
Privately.
Oh,
Okay.
private
Conversation.
Private conversation.
And part of that
namin.
conversation
Ano
was...
Tapos we were encouraging each other. Tapos syempre sa dinami-rami ng pinag-usapan namin, we talked about
How to keep.
yung maintaining your weight, maintaining your ano ba?
Ito naman yung
appeal.
exercise. Ano
So
yun?
na-inspire
Ito
ako
pa yun yung
Oo.
ano mo, yung exercise mo?
No, the body conditioning. Yung body
Yun ba
conditioning
yun?
ko sa Planaforma rin
Ano
yung
bang
kay Casey
ginagawa
rin
mo
yun.
ngayon?
Si Teacher
Hindi,
Julie.
actually, nag-start talaga ako diet. I really started with my diet kasi yun ang pinaka-number 1 na pwede kong i-control kasi that's throughout the day. So, I got on South Beach, tapos ang South Beach po parang protein lang yon and it's ina-update ko talaga kayo.
Patingin
Na-miss
nga,
ko kayo
Case, can you stand up? I wanna see.
wala pa
Kasi
akong
the last time I
third
saw
sana.
you, ganyan ka
Ano
naman,
ngayon?
sexy ka na talaga.
Pa-sweet nga siya ngayon
Ang liit ng waist.
Wala pa.
Dainty.
I will tell you why. Meron akong picture ng bio bikini billboard ko sa bahay. Tapos sabi ko, oh!
Yung
gusto ko
naka-yellow.
yun.
Yung ganda ng abs mo.
Gray, naka-gray, nakahiga akong ganun. Sabi ko, parang
Ano naman
4 years
sa
ago
abs?
lang yon. Sabi ko, gusto ko siyang balikan. I remember my weight then
That
was
becomes your
Talagang
goal.
pa-
113, 112, 113.
O ngayon, ano ka ngayon? Anong weight
Huwag
mo?
na natin pag-usapan.
Ang daya.
Pero hindi pa ako 113 right now. So,
You
yun
want
ang-
to achieve that again.
Yeah, kasi, honestly...
At least na-achieve mo na yung, I mean,
You
know,
know,
one of
you've
the
been there.
25 sexiest.
Thank
Come
you.
on.
So, but I think, dun sa Complex Mag, that was a real surprise because it's a New York magazine. And hindi ko rin alam kung paano nila ako nakita doon. But really, parang I felt so proud to be Pinay kasi ako lang yung parang Filipina doon sa list. And it was not just sexiest, but it was also talking about na parang I can, parang they were recognizing lang yung iba-ibang international actresses.
You can influence. Di ba? I mean, you
Yeah.
know, not
The
just being
power
sexy.
of influence.
Paano
That's
pag
right.
na-discover ka? Internationally.
Nakakatawa nga.
Iiwan mo na kami dito.
Hindi,
Paano yung
of
teleserye
course,
mo?
Of course not. May tatapusin pa akong teleserye, but meron din
Which
ako gustong
is?
umpisahan na hosting job dito sa ABS.
Oh,
Kasi diba,
everything's coming to you.
I'm thankful.
O, ikwento mo muna yung teleserye mo.
Yung
May kukwento din
ganyan ang
ako.
look ko sa
Oh.
teleserye. That's my Cosmo Mexico cover.
okay.
Are you serious?
That's sexy.
Is this the one with Judy Ann?
This is with Judy Ann, with Sam Milby, Tita Connie Reyes, Tito Tirsa Cruz III, and Maylene Disa. Basta marami kaming
And this is
nagtatrabaho for
going
that
to be aired?
teleserye. This will be aired very soon. Wala pa akong details, Tito Boy.
No,
but
in the next few
Yay,
weeks.
we're
Kausap ko
excited.
si ano,
No, sabi ko in the
kanina.
next few weeks, not gonna
Sino?
be 8 weeks, ano, 12 weeks. That's like 3 months.
Tito
I'm not
Boy,
sure.
ano,
Yes.
kausap ko kanina si Miko. They were talking about yung sa serye nyo. Maganda daw yung review sa'yo dahil pinireview na ng, ng
Wow.
management. Yung performance niya. Ibang case yung mapapanood
I
nyo. Fiercer, bolder, medyo matapang.
Mas matapang ka daw dito.
Galing.
Matapang ka daw
I want
dito.
to see that.
Yes.
Kasi di ba sweet yung face, tapos pag matapang, parang it's nice to see na, ay, may
You would
tapang
like to
pala.
see that.
I'd like to see that.
Nakakatakot naman pag ikaw yung nanood. Expert ka na
Bakit?
doon.
Hindi naman. Kasi magkasama kami sa workshop ni Casey. That's why I really got to know Casey in a deeper way. And
were
that's
supposed-
why I love her.
Okay, I mean, moving on, let's talk about, because you posted that photo,
Yeah.
yung 17th wedding anniversary ni Senador Kiko po at saka ng nag-iisang megastar, Sharon. How was it? How was it?
Their anniversary, they've been married, nako, 17 years na po
Galing,
silang
no?
kasal. I really admire them for the respect, the love, and the trust that they give each other all these years. Siyempre, hindi naman din masasabing perfect yung marriage, but like any other Filipino,
Walang perfect.
alam naman
Oo.
nila yon na hindi talaga.
And it has not been easy, especially kung ang pinag-uusapan po mga kaibigan ay isang marriage na public, yung pinanunood ka ng publiko.
Oo.
There's so
Yeah.
many expectations, pressures. Pero ngayon, sinasabi mong sobrang galang because they're able to maintain, you know,
17 years is a
andyan
long
yung,
time, yeah.
andyan yung, syempre pumapasok yung mga Bible study, pumapasok yung bonding nila with the kids.
Right.
Like, nagkaroon ng baking sales sila, mom. Meron silang parang, nagbebenta sila ng mga cakes and cookies na linuluto nila Frankie. So, these
Galing.
little things na parang normal kids sila, they really try to be there for the kids. And sold out daw, as in kinabog daw yung sales ng, ticket sales ng pelikula nila John Lloyd at Sarah.
Taray.
So, ayun, sina Frankie nagbe-bake, ganun. Tapos, yun, it's really a wholesome
I want to
kind
hear
of
more about
family.
Casey Boy. Kasi I heard that you have an album coming up.
Hindi kasi may gusto rin ako itanong
Nagtitinginan kayo?
Kasi pinag-usapan natin yung about marriage. When do you see yourself getting married? Or yung
Ay, ang advice ko
settling
kay
down?
Casey, wag ma-in love. Kaya wag natin
Bakit?
pag-usapan ang love na yan. Because sabi ko, you're young only once. So, enjoy your life. Nakikinig ka ba sa akin?
No, pero
Just
nagsaset ka naman
enjoy?
ako.
Sabi ko,
Nagsaset
just...
ka ba?
Hindi, Casey.
Like,
ha?
nagsaset ka ba like yung pag 30 na pataas, dun ko naiisipin?
parang ang
Ano yung
frame of
advice mo
reference
sa
mo,
akin?
ikaw din, ha?
Parang
Ikaw din.
ano ba?
How old are you, Case?
advice-
Case, how old are you?
I'm at 21.
Yung showbiz
For
age mo
life.
yan?
Age is just a number and
Sabi ko
young
sa
is an
akin.
attitude.
Yes.
Alam mo yan.
No, but I
Commercial
will
ba
ask
yun?
you both, wait. Kayong dalawang tatanungin ko, meron ba kayong sineset na age na when I turn 30, I'm, hopefully I am,
You have
may
to,
ganon?
so, because you want to get pregnant.
Right.
After a certain age, hindi ka na, mamaya hindi ka na
Wala pa kayo
pregnant.
marriage, yung pregnancy.
Hindi, may
Oh,
nagsasabi
sige,
na
kung
the
hindi
best
ka
time to be
magkaanak.
pregnant, Gretch, is what age?
No.
They say,
21?
parang I think that's too old.
That's
ah.
too old.
Baka, I don't
Okay,
know,
ito
they
na naman.
say.
Nag-uusap tayo, Tony, remember?
Oo.
Tapos
So-
ang sabi ko sa'yo, Tones, parang ikaw ang mauuna. Ikaw ang mauuna sa
Alam mo
between
yung
you
parang
and
Sabi
mauuna,
niya?
hindi nauuna.
Oh.
Yung parang hindi mauuna,
wala pa
yun
nga
ang
akong boyfriend.
napupundis. Naku, wala pa rin
Pregnancy agad, Miss Gretchen. Ano
Hindi.
ka ba? Oh my
According
goodness.
to history, yun ang nangyayari.
Okay.
Story talaga.
history.
Ilalim nung history, parang maniniwala.
Pero, Christina, wait.
Ayaw
The
niyo
question is,
pag-usapan?
are you the type who plans? I mean, I think that's what Tony's trying to say, na parang in 5 years, where are you?
Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ko kay Tita Chris nung nag-co-host ako ng morning show niya. Sabi ko, when I was around 18 hanggang nag-20s na ako, 23, 24, gumagawa ako ng 3-year to 5-year plan.
Okay.
Tapos pagdating ko ng 25, 26, sabi ko, wala na akong makita for my future. Sabi ko, bakit wala akong makitang vision for my future? Tapos talagang nagme-meditate ako, may kandila ako doon, may
Very
pasense, may
Casey.
peppermint.
I can imagine
Sabi ko,
it.
kailangan ko
Paano
ng
mo yun?
music,
Dami
kailangan ko ng
sermon.
ambience para makita ko kung ano yung gusto ko for the next
Okay, and then?
Ano ka, manghuhula?
Wala talaga.
Spiritista na pala siya ngayon.
Snapping.
Casey.
So sabi ko, Lord, go with the flow na lang tayo, Lord.
Surrender everything to Him.
Yeah.
Oo. So that's where she is right now. Ikaw, Tony.
Mag-enjoy ka muna.
Ikaw. No, Tony.
Eh, syempre may
Ayan,
mga
ikaw
plans
tuloy
din ako eh.
tinanong.
Ako tuloy na tanong.
Kasi, tanong ka ng tanong.
Hindi, magturok na rin kaya ako ng kandila tonight. Tapos pray din ako.
At may music din.
May
At may
music.
baka
Pero
makita
kailangan
ka.
ng kandila mo, Joe Malone,
Oo.
Diptik, gano'n.
Dapat
Ay,
mahal sa
maganda.
kandila.
Wow.
Hindi pwede yung nabibili sa bangketa. Ano ba yun?
Para maganda yung maging quality ng future.
Oh, sige.
Kung hindi,
Para mabango
unclear.
yung scent.
No, but kanina nga, Gretch, pinag-uusapan natin that up to a certain point, I think you can plan. Pero ang iba talaga, you surrender it to, you know, to
Yes.
God. I mean, you know, you can
Pakaplano
only
ka rin.
plan
Plano.
up to a certain point. di ba?
Correct!
Kanina lang, babalikan ko po mga kaibigan, yung sinabi ni Casey tungkol kay Frankie at saka kina Shawi, wala talagang maliliit na bagay pag when you talk about bonding with family, cookies lang yan. Pero alam mo, paglaki ng mga bata, they will
Maalala
remember
nila
that.
yan.
Yes.
They will remember that.
Mom, naalala ko yung time na nag-bake tayo tapos chocolate chip yung gusto mo. Oatmeal cookie yung lumabas. Mommy, nakalimutan natin yung chocolate chips. Ang gandang memory nun. I miss you so
Wow,
much.
di ba? We can laugh about it. May mga concerts ka sa abroad.
Oo, I
Di ba?
will be in a...
Wow, all around ka na ngayon,
No, actually, this is with my mom. You know, I grew
Okay.
up watching her perform. I grew up watching her on stage, and I'm so happy to announce that we will be in San Francisco for a couple of shows together, and then we will be going to LA. Si Mama merong mga shows, tapos ako, I will spend 2 or 3 days with her sa Los Angeles. But sa lahat ng mga nasa California, if you want to come see us, nasa San Francisco po kami. Nakakamiss rin po yung mga taga-California. Napaka-warm ng welcome nila lagi sa amin. Taga-America, we will be there May 25 and 26 sa Cassia Creek Casino Resort ng 8 p.m. for 2 days, 25, 26.
Paano yung
See you
taping mo
there.
kung aalis ka? You're gonna be gone for a while?
Actually, right now, 2 weeks kaming
Every day?
packed up. Kasi, ewan ko, basta napaka.
May
Nila,
album
inayos nila
din
yung
siya.
script.
That's a break.
Okay.
Okay.
O yung album mo, hindi
At
mo
saka it's
sinagot.
for work. It's for work. So,
Saka hindi mo sinagot yung album mo. Yung CD mo, lalabas ba?
oo, we're doing a 3rd album sa lahat ng nag-request sa Twitter.
So when is
Ayun
this
ang
gonna be
Global
released?
Kachuchay, Cookie Burks, they're all there. Ang dami
Nagsusulat siya
kasing
ng songs.
nagre-request.
So ikaw nagsulat ng songs mo?
I can't say the details yet, pero sa lahat kasi ng
Ang daming
fans,
sikreto
ng
ni Casey, no?
supporters.
Love life niya, CD
Ito,
niya,
meron akong New
age
Year's
niya, height,
resolution.
weight, lahat na lang secret naman.
Hoy, syempre naman, sometimes
Hindi ka
kailangan
naman
nyo naman
ganyan
mag-keep
last
for
week
yourself.
Last week, madaldal ka. Ngayon,
Kailan last week?
Hindi,
Nagkita ba
kunyari,
tayo?
Hindi, sa ano lang, text lang.
Oo, kailangan
Ano naman?
kailangan,
Tinatago na.
hindi naman. Syempre, napaka-open ko nga sa inyo, over na nga eh. Pero, these days, gusto ko munang mag-concentrate sa work ko. Sa totoo lang, parang, syempre, people keep asking me about other things. Sabi ko, alam mo, ang hirap magtrabaho. I'm also working, hindi lang dahil ganito yung pamilya ko or ganito yung kinalakihan ko. Hindi na kami tinuruan magtrabaho.
Pero gusto ko pa rin talaga yung ano, may candles, may
May,
lipstick.
oo.
Kasi
And
sabi
my-
ko
Alam mo,
talaga,
mai-imagine ko yan
I'll
mamaya.
do that.
pagdating ko na,
Iba talaga ang
punta ko sa
Casey
Pilipinas,
Concepcion.
di ba, ang tagal ko pong nawala, 5 years, tumira ako
Okay.
sa Europe. Sabi ko, pag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, ito yung mangyayari, ito yung mangyayari, ito yung mangyayari. Sa tingin mo ba, lahat ng plano ko nangyari?
Why? Because many are the plans in a man's heart, but it's always God's purpose that prevails.
Oh,
So may purpose si Lord talaga sa life mo.
Kulang lang ng I thank you.
Yeah, candidate number 23. Kaya kita
Diba?
friend.
Casey, maraming salamat. Flowers for you.
We miss you
so happy.
here.
I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you. I also want to say na sa World Food Program ng UN, Fashion for Charity, you can buy my pre-loved, yung mga damit na sinusuot ko po sa mga ASAP, sa mga teleserye, sa mga commercials, sa mga appearances, yan, mahahanap nyo po yan mostly sa Casey's Closet sa eBay. I-search nyo lang po sa Google. You can buy my fashion, my items there, from my
Collection, yes.
dresses, my shoes.
And then proceeds go to...
Proceeds will go to the UN World Food Program
Yes.
directly. So thank you also Access Watches who just renewed me. Thank you to Palmolive Natural. Thank you to Plana Pharma. Their Zumba class is the best there.
I do
Sa
Zumba
Centris
also.
and Fort. And thank you so much also to Boardwalk. Thank you Carmi David, Pam Quinones, Brent Sales, and... Yan. Ay, hindi ko
And
pwedeng i-mention
yun
yung
na.
iba.
Galing naman your eyes, ha?
Opo.
Can actually
bata
read
pa
from
siya
here.
ka.
Galing, galing.
2021, showbiz
21.
age.
20.
Oh,
20 ang
20
mata ko.
ngayon.
Christina, maraming salamat. And take good care of yourself and stay pretty. Okay? Stay beautiful. No.
Thanks everyone.
Thank
Follow
you.
me on Twitter.
Welcome home. You're
Thank
always
you.
welcome here.
Thank you, The Buzz. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com, KC_Concepcion, and Instagram, xtina_on_the_rock. See you!
Okay, mga
Nakakamiss.
kaibigan.
Casey Concepcion.
Maraming salamat. Huwag po kayong aalis. Dahil magbabalik pa po ang...
The Buzz!